think that is the hand soap bubble.
No, wait, was it a hand soap or dish soap?
I mean, sorry, that is the dish soap.
Yeah.
Sorry. Again, that's the dish soap, not the hand soap. We did the hand soap already.
Dish soap goes like, I think the bubble like grows faster than the.
I'm not photobombing, am I? I'm not in this.
Yeah, you're not in it.
You're not in it. Oh, here's your $20.
Oh, thanks.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, we are 30 minutes in, 30 seconds in, I'm sorry. Still going.
You know what soap might work good? Maybe the stuff that foams up, the foam
This
soap.
is the dish soap project.
I would think it's on to be the best, though, especially that ultra, you know.
That is dish soap.
You're photobombing.
Now I am.
The hand soap went 1 minute 41 seconds. Okay? So now we're doing the dish soap. We're already 1 minute in. So guess what? That there is wrong. It goes longer than
80.
Oh, 1